alaikum. Whom did the Meccans call out Al-Amin? Whom did the Meccans call out As-Sadiq? Subhanallah. It was none other than my beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Dear all present here, Assalamu alaikum. Indeed, I am very happy and feel proud to share a story of Prophet honesty. As a young boy, Prophet was honest, kind, patient, and much more. My friend, Kaaba was sacred structure in Mecca. Kaaba was rebuilt by Quraysh. During this, there was a fight among the leaders as to who will place the black stone. The, my friend, it was decided that the next person to enter Kaaba will solve this issue. My friends, it was Muhammad bin Abdullah bin Abdul Muttalib who came next. It was our Prophet. Our Prophet was wise and honest and gave a wise solution. He asked for a large cloth to place the black stone in the middle of cloth and call each leader of each tribe to hold a corner of cloth. My friend, see what our Prophet did with his own hand. He placed the Hajr Aswad in the corner of Kaaba. Subhanallah, everyone was happy. Prophet used wisdom to solve this problem. Moral of the story: trustworthy and honest people bring others together. Prophet taught us good manners. Jazakallah.